Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with another abacus lesson, and today we are subtracting by 4. What we love about this method with our abacus is everything is always equaling up to either 5 or 10. It just makes it so easy. So when you get into those really complicated multiplication and division problems, or any problem really, it just makes it so easy. So let's go ahead and set 99 on our abacus. I'm doing that on the right hand side, and that's all direct setting. So now when I say subtract 4, that's nice and easy. We can put our pointer on our 1, 4. We have 4 ones here, and we just put our pointer on that and we clear all 4, and we now have 95. Now we know when I say subtract 4, our rule is 4 and 1, right? Absolutely. So that means we set 1 bead and we clear that 5 bead, and we now have 91. Now when I say set 4, we now think about everything equaling up to 10. So we have our pointer on our 5, our thumb on our 1, so we set 6 because why? 6 and 4 is 10. So we set 6 and we come over to our 10s, and with our pointer we clear a 10. And now we have 87. Okay, so here we go. We want to clear 4. That means we need to set a 1 bead and clear a 5, and we now have 83. Okay, here we go. We need to minus 4. Our pointer goes on our 5. Our thumb goes on our 1, and we set 6. Nice and direct, and then we clear a 10. And we now have 79. Clear 4, nice and direct. Our pointer goes on our 1, and we just clear 4, and we have 75. Clear 4, we know our rules, so we set 1 and clear a 5, and we have 71. We need to subtract by 4, so we know our rules. Nice and direct, kind of. We actually put our pointer on our 5, our thumb on our 1, we set 6, and we subtract that 10, because we know 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, we need to subtract by 4. We know our rules, so we set 1 and clear 5, and we now have 63. We need to subtract 4. Our pointer goes on our 5, our thumb goes on our 1, and we set that right to our counting bar and subtract that 10. And we now have 59. Clear 4, nice and direct. Our pointer goes on those 4 ones, and we just clear them, and we have 55. Clear 4, we know our rules, so we set 1 and clear a 5, and we have 51. Clear 4, we go ahead, we're moving 6 right to our counting bar, and we're subtracting by 10. That means we have to set 40 and clear our 50, and we have 47. We need to go ahead and subtract 4. We know our rules, so we set 1 and we clear a 5, and we have 47. We need to go ahead and subtract by 4, so our pointer goes on that 5, our thumb goes on that 1, and we set that direct to our counting bar, and we subtract a 10, and we have 39. Subtract 4, nice and direct, our pointer goes on our 1s, and we clear, and we have 35. We need to set 4, that means we set 1, clear 5, and we have 31. We need to set 4, we need to set 6 and clear a 10, and we have 27. We need to clear 4 more, and we know our rules, so we set a 1 bead and clear a 5, and we have 23. We need to clear 4, so we set our 6 and we subtract a 10, and we now have 19. Clear 4, nice and direct, our pointer goes on those ones and clears that. We need to go ahead and clear 4 more. We know our rules, so we set 1 and clear 5, and we now have 11. We need to clear 4, so we set 6 right to the counting bar, and we subtract that 10. We are now have 7. We need to clear 4. We know our rules, so we set 1 and clear 5, and we have a remainder of 3. And that is how you subtract by 4. Go ahead and study all the lessons, and you're already up to all the addition. We're doing all the subtraction also, and we're up to 4. Our next lesson is subtracting by 5. Really easy. We love subtraction by 5. Okay, see you in the next lesson.